Hello and welcome back to Economic Advantage. Today, we're going to tackle the age-old question in photography, which is more important, the camera body or the lens? Let's start by talking about camera bodies. The camera body is the heart of your photography setup. It's where all the controls are, and it's responsible for capturing the image. But what about the lens? The lens is the eye of your camera. It's responsible for how the image looks, including the sharpness, the depth of field, and the overall aesthetic. So, which is more important, the camera body or the lens? The truth is, both are equally important, but they have different roles to play. A good camera body is important because it determines the quality of the image you're able to capture. It determines the maximum resolution, frame rate, and ISO sensitivity. It also affects the autofocus system, the buffer size, and the overall performance of the camera. However, a good lens is just as important. A good lens can improve the sharpness and clarity of your photos, especially in low-light situations. It can also provide a more natural-looking depth of field and a pleasing bokeh effect. So, which one should you prioritize when investing in photography gear? First, let's address some of the common questions about what makes a good camera. A good camera is one that is capable of capturing high-quality images that meet your specific needs. This may include factors like image resolution, low-light performance, autofocus capabilities, and more. Generally, a good camera should have a high-quality lens, a large sensor, and advanced processing capabilities. What is the most important feature of a camera? The most important feature of a camera depends on your specific needs and preferences. Some people prioritize image quality above all else, while others may value things like ease of use, portability, or versatility. Generally, a camera with a high-quality lens and a large sensor will be able to capture better images than a camera with a smaller sensor and a lower quality lens. How many megapixels do I need in a camera? The number of megapixels you need in a camera depends on how you plan to use the images you capture. If you are simply sharing photos on social media or printing them in small sizes, you may only need a few megapixels. However, if you plan to make large prints or crop your images extensively, you may want to look for a camera with a higher resolution sensor. What should I look for in a camera lens? When choosing a camera lens, there are several factors to consider. These include the aperture size, focal length, and image stabilization capabilities. Generally, a lens with a wider maximum aperture, i.e., a lower f-number, will be able to capture better low-light images and provide a shallower depth of field. A lens with a longer focal length may be better suited for telephoto photography, while a shorter focal length may be better for wide-angle shots. Image stabilization can also be important for reducing blur caused by camera shake. How important is autofocus in a camera? Autofocus is an important feature of a camera, especially for fast-moving subjects or low-light conditions. A camera with advanced autofocus capabilities can help you capture sharper images and make it easier to track moving subjects. Some cameras also offer features like face detection, which can be especially useful for portrait photography. In summary, a good camera is one that is capable of meeting your specific needs and capturing high-quality images. This may include factors like image resolution, lens quality, autofocus capabilities, and more. When choosing a camera, it's important to consider your needs and preferences and look for features that will help you achieve your photography goals. It depends on your needs and your budget. If you're just starting out, investing in a good camera body is a good idea. A high-quality camera body will allow you to capture better images and give you more control over your photography. However, as you advance in your photography journey, you may want to invest in high-quality lenses. Lenses can be used with different camera bodies, so they can last you a long time and can be a good investment in the long run. Ultimately, it's important to remember that both the camera body and the lens play important roles in creating great photos. When you're shopping for photography gear, Consider your needs and your budget, and invest in equipment that will help you achieve your photography goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more photography tips and tutorials. See you next time.